Hello friends, in this video we shall be discussing the definition of decree as provided under subsection 2 of section 2 of CPC. It provides that a decree is the formal adjudication by the court of law which conclusively determines the rights of the parties to the suit. And a decree may be preliminary or final in nature, and it may be partly preliminary or partly final. Certain ingredients that must be fulfilled to complete the definition of a decree. That is, there must be an adjudication, it must be through a formal expression, and it must determine the conclusive rights of the parties to that suit. Adjudication means that there should be a determination of issue in controversy in a suit by a court of law. Formal expression means that the adjudication should come by following a due process of law, and the rights of the parties so determined must be conclusive in nature. Subsection 2 of section 2 of CPC also provides that rejection of a plaint and determination of any issue in controversy under section 144 of CPC shall also be termed as a decree. It further provides that the following shall not be included as a decree. That is, if an appeal lies from a decree as an appeal from an order, or rejection of a plaint because of default. Further, there are three kinds of decrees: final decree, partly final and partly preliminary decree, and preliminary decree. We will be first discussing as to what a preliminary decree is. A preliminary decree can be defined as a decree which conclusively determines the rights of the parties to the particular suit, but still there are further proceedings left so as to finally finish off the suit. For example, in case if there is a suit for partition under Hindu Succession Act, in that case suppose court has determined the individual share of all the members of the Hindu family, but still mates and bounds partition is left. In that case, although court has conclusively determined the rights of every member of the Hindu joint family, but their physical partition is still to be done by the court. That is called preliminary decree. Final decree: when all the issues in controversy between the parties in a suit have been finally settled in that particular suit, and there is nothing further that is left in the proceedings, it can be termed as a final decree. Partly final and partly preliminary decree: when a suit involves more than two issues to be decided by the court of law, and suppose that one issue in controversy has been adjudicated by the judge, completely determining the conclusive rights of the parties, but still the second issue is left with the court of law to be decided. This is called partly final and partly preliminary decree. Thank you and have a nice day.